Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, December 23rd, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had an unbelievable day today, and yesterday I had called the Dow down for today. I even said maybe it was going to go down hard today. Well, I could not have been more wrong, but it's one of those things. I'm happy to be wrong. I'm just delighted that I was wrong. Yeah, the stock screamed today, and we made a pile of money. Dow ended up closing up 185 points. Started real strong right at the beginning here. It just kept going and going and closed at or near its high today. That really looks good. Probably got to call it up for tomorrow. It's up here against our bread line, but I'm going to say this thing's got to keep going, and we're going to profit if it does keep going. Okay, we closed out over $11,000 in open trade today as a result of this nice move, and to make things even sweeter, we are holding over $10,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. So added up, we had a $20,000 plus day today. Hey, I love it. Trader Bob is happy. Hey, let me show you. The energy sector is what was really going to town today. Let me show you a couple of those trades. This first one is Parker Drilling, and we had bought this yesterday. It closed yesterday with no particular profit at all, slightly negative. It gaps up this morning. We get out of it. We take out $3,000 in Parker Drilling on the exit here. Things keeps going. We re-enter it, as you know we do, and it kept going after that. We're holding over $1,500 open trade in Parker Drilling going into tomorrow. Add that up, we got $4,500 going for us in Parker Drilling. Beautiful trade, just beautiful trade. Show you another one here. This isn't in the energy sector, but if this is something we got into today, it's PACB, that's Pacific Biosciences of California. Talked about this before. It's been just a fantastic stock for us. We got into this, look, about the third hour, fairly late in the day. It just screamed. It just absolutely screamed. We're holding like $3,200 in open trade equity in Pacific Biosciences of California. A great one. Now, I'm going to show you the granddaddy of all. I mean, this is just beautiful. This is where most of our profits for today is coming. We bought this yesterday. This is EPE. That's EP Energy Corporation. EP Energy Corporation. This thing has been sitting in our portfolio for weeks. Nothing happened with it. I was even considered throwing it out. What a sleeper this was. We bought this yesterday right out of the gate. It screamed, pulled back. I was very upset about that pullback yesterday. I thought this thing was going to hell. No, it didn't go to hell. It gapped up this morning. We get out of EP Energy Corp with over $8,000 in profits right here. Out with $8,000 in profits, and guess what? It keeps screaming, and we re-enter it. That's a scary place to re-enter, folks. It just kept going and going and going. Ends up closing near its high. We're holding over $7,000 in open trade in energy, EP Energy Corp. That means this whole thing here is worth $15,000. That's getting close to the best trade of the year. It really, just fantastic. Doesn't get any better than that. So, let's just hope we can get a good open tomorrow in these energies. Because if it is, we're going to make a pile, or we're going to nail down these terrific profits that we had today. Great day. Hey, Santa Claus is alive. And tomorrow is Christmas Eve day. Let's just hope we can get out of that short session and nail down these profits. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow.